Hello students, me Monica, your maths teacher. Welcome to my maths class. Today we will continue chapter 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas, Introduction Part 2. In this chapter, Basic Geometrical Ideas, we have already learned line segment, ray, intersecting lines and parallel lines. Now, today we understand our next topic, polygon. A polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments. Means the line segments are the sides of the polygon. Any two sides with a common endpoint are adjacent sides. The meeting point of a pair of sides is called a vertex. The endpoint of the same side are adjacent vertices. The join of any two non-adjacent vertices is a diagonal. Angles. What is angle? An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common endpoint. Two rays OA and OB make angle AOB or also called angle BOA. Here is a figure of angle AOB, where OA and OB are two rays and O is the common point, that is vertex. The meeting point of a pair of sides is called a vertex. The endpoint of the same sides are adjacent vertices. Triangles. What is triangle? A triangle is a three-sided polygon. The three sides of the triangle AB, BC and CA. And the three angles are angle BAC, angle BCA and angle ABC. And the name of the angles are angle A, angle B and angle C. This is the another form of angle. The point A, B and C are the vertices of the triangle. And another definition of triangle is formed by joining three non-collinear points. Quadrilaterals. A four-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. It has four sides and four angles. Now here is a picture of quadrilateral ABCD, where four sides are AB, BC, CD and DA, and four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Here AB and DC are opposite sides of quadrilateral. Angle A, angle C. Second, angle B, angle D are opposite angles. Circle. What is circle? A circle is a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. Polygons means a figure which is made by a joining line segment, and circle is not a polygon. There are different parts of circle like center, which is fixed point, radius, fixed distance, diameter. A diameter is a chord passing through the center. Chord, line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Circumference, distance around the circle, means outer boundary of the circle, that is circumference. The fixed point is the center. The fixed distance is the radius. Means center radius and diameter is fixed distance and point is fixed. A diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. A chord of a circle is a line segment joining any two points on the circle. The distance around the circle is the circumference. Now here is a picture of circle. And what is its center? That is O. And radius R means OC. Diameter is represented by a D. And chord is CA. And circumference is the outer boundary, which is shown by red color. Now here is a picture of circle where sector and segment are shown here. What is sector? A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on one side and a pair of radii on the other two sides is called sector. And what is segment? A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by a chord and an arc is called the segment of the circle. Thank you.